Here I have TCL 405 and today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on this device. So to do this, all you need to do is to just press combination of keys, power key plus volume down at the same time like this, and the screenshot will be taken. So let me show you once again, power key, volume down, and that's how it's done. So one last time, power key, volume down, and we got it. You can find your screenshots in gallery, in the special folder called screenshots. And from here you can share, edit, delete your screenshots and perform like HardReset.Info, use it as and automatically correct it. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.